any bank with a geographical presence in India will need CMS to work for them, right? And CMS vice versa. We will serve almost every bank you can name and think about. They still may be a small cooperative bank, which we don't maybe work with directly, but I think we work with almost all the banks today in the country.
Right. And in terms of payment networks, you're obviously the Visa, MasterCard, for example, for travelers or international travelers who are coming in, that's all plugged through.
Well, the ATM networks will do that, right?
Yeah.
I mean, if you're using those cards from a credit card being used on ATM or whatever, but primarily for us, I think what we run as a national infrastructure is really just the fact that these by bank, right? We're not doing it for the country, we're doing it by bank. And therefore, everything to do with that, the site, the ATM, the uptime, the software, the hardware, the connectivity, all becomes our responsibility. And that's something we took as a philosophy in our first to second phase, where initially we were very happy to be a cash company. Saying this is good enough for us. And I think two things happened. One, we said, I was pitching to investors when the transition from Blackstone was happening. I was saying, it's a 2,000 crore TAM, and we have 1,200 crores of it. I mean, we were very proud of being 60% market share in revenue. And then somebody said, but then how are you going to grow? And we realized, this is a small pond, right? We got to think about a bigger pond. And then more importantly, we said, outsourcing patterns in India will change, where many banks are doing piecemeal. Aap ye kariye, aap ye kariye, aap ye kariye. And I think, ye kab tak chalega? Like I came from tech, right? And you have to look at what IBM did. It will integrate at some point. So we made a bet and said, banks will see value in outsourcing end to end and getting rid of it lock, stock, barrel. We just want to build the capability, both from tech and logistics, to be able to offer it. I think it took some time for people to warm up to the proposition, but today I think that's what has led to a large part of our growth, where we deliver end-to-end solutions to banks. But the core being the moat and the market share we have around managing that ATM network.